Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message, then mark new one just to see the keypad. So once you've got keyboard right in front of you, mark settings icon, then select languages and types, and click on manage input languages. Here you can unmark unnecessary one and apply the one that you want to use. You can stay with both languages, you can leave one language only. Let me show you how it looks with two languages at first or more. You've got this word icon here, and now you can switch between them smoothly by tapping. And once you want to have one language only, go back here, and not here, but manage input languages. And let me apply, for example, this one and switch off those. And as you can see, the word icon disappeared and there is one language only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.